Let's see how you can easily build an AI chatbot that can simply answer any sort of questions about your business and work on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, website, SMS, and even other channels as well. So here I'm in a demo icon with all these channels connected, and here if you want to create an AI chatbot for your business, you also need to connect the API keys from the OpenAI platform. So here I have connected all these channels. So if you click on channels, you have the option to connect any channels you like right here. And here in settings integrations, if you click on OpenAI ChatGPT, here you need to connect your own API keys as well. If you're wondering how to do that, click on learn more. Here you have the step-by-step guide on how to grab the API keys on the OpenAI platform and simply connect it on our platform. So here we already have connected the API keys. So you see this sort of window right here. So now we can actually use one of the free template available over here to build an AI chatbot for your business. So here, go to the flow section over here. So in the flow section, you can see all free templates. So click on this one. In the all free templates, you can use any free templates related to AI. For example, you can use this one, smart conversational AI with message delays and multiple user inputs. So what happens is that even if the user send like 3-4 messages all at one time, the chatbot will wait for a few seconds and then respond to them as well. So let me use this one. So here, let me make a duplicate of this one over here, and let me rename this particular flow as, so let me say smart conversational AI chatbot fast. All right, so click continue over here, and let me open this particular flow right here. So here you will see step-by-step guide on how to use this one over here, and here you also need to update the business information as well. Yeah, this is the business information block, and here you need to update all the information about your business over here. So here currently we have some information about Techstars Fitness Hub, but let's see, we want to build an AI chatbot for this specific dental business, which is called as Smile Bright Dental. So here let me update all the information right here about this specific business. So let me rename or replace this particular Texas business hub. So let me add Smile Bright Dental right here and respond to customers' question in just 1 to 2 sentences. And here you can add all this information about that specific gym over here. So let me copy this information over here and simply paste it right there. So here I have just pasted that information, and that's it. You don't need to do anything. And if you want to use a different model, you can use that as well. For example, let me use a GPT 4.1. So let's choose that model. All right, and click continue over here. And here there is a wait delay of 20 seconds as well. So that means the chatbot will respond to the user after 20 seconds of wait delay. So you can actually increase this one, reduce this one as well. So let me publish this one over here. All right, so now it's published, and you also need to make this particular flow. Let's go to settings as this particular fallback flow as well. So let me choose this one, smart conversational AI chatbot fast. So here this is the exact flow as you can see here. All right, so choose this one and click save. All right, so now this particular AI chatbot can simply work on all these connected channels. So let me show how this actually works. So here, this is the business information we have right there. So here let me ask one question over here. So here, what is included in the new patient special? So they actually provide a 99 special over there for the comprehensive exam, full x-rays, and standard dental cleaning. So here let me test this on the Facebook page. So here this is the Facebook page connected, Demo Chatting Media. So let me go to that particular Facebook page and let me send a message over here and see what happens. So here let me send this message, and here we can send any other message as well within the 20 seconds time frame. So let me ask about their location as well. So here I asked 2 questions. One is about the new patient deal, and the next thing is about the location. Our new patient special includes these other things, and it also says the location as well. We are located at this particular area. So here, even though I sent 2 messages right here, it simply respond to me just 1 message including for those 2 questions I asked right there. And here likewise you can actually ask any questions right there, and it will simply respond. And here in the unified inbox, you can track all the conversation happened as well. So for example, if you go to the inbox, you can see this particular person is from the Facebook Messenger, and this is the conversation. So here you can send messages right from here, and that will actually post the chatbot. So if I send a message right here, it will simply post the chatbot as well, and the customer will receive it right here. So that's how it actually works on the Facebook Messenger. So you can test the same thing on Instagram as well. So here let me show my phone screen over here, and this is the Demo Chatting Media Instagram page, and let me ask about the services. So here let me send a message to them. What services do you provide? So here let me ask this question, and here let me ask one more question as well. And who is the lead dentist? So here I again send 2 questions, but you can actually send multiple questions as well. And let's see how this actually respond to us. So here we receive the response over here. these are the services, and also it says our lead dentist is this particular person. And even if you send a voice note, it can understand and respond as well. So let me send a voice note over here. What are your opening hours? And what is your address? So here we receive the response. It says our hours are from Monday to Friday 9 to 5 and Saturdays by appointment. And it also sent me the address as well. As you can see here, I sent 2 voice notes. It simply sent me the response in right here. And even if you send a text and also voice note, it will simply work as well. So this time let me send a voice note over here. So let me say, do you offer any payment plans? So this time I'm going to actually send a text over right here. So let me say, what is your phone number? So here in the voice note, I ask about the payment plans, and here I ask about the phone number. So for the payment plans, they provide through Care Credit over here, and let's see the phone number as well. So here the phone number is right here as well. Says yes, we offer 0% financing options for qualifying treatments through this particular Care Credit, and our phone number is this one. So here again, you can track all these conversations happen right through this unified inbox over here. So this is from the Instagram. So this can simply work on the WhatsApp as well. So for example, let me send a message on WhatsApp and see how this actually works. So here I'm in the WhatsApp. So let me send a message. So in the WhatsApp, I simply ask about the services they provide. So let's see how this actually responds. Here is the response. These are the services offered. Let us know if you need details about any specific service as well. Simple as that. So here, this is from the WhatsApp, as you can see. So you can even install this particular AI chatbot as a chat widget on your website as well. So here at the website, you can install a chat widget and they can simply click and initiate the chat as well. So here you can use the web chat option over here. So click on manage over here. So by default, you will see this free template installed. So make a duplicate of this one over here. And here you can add any name right here. So in this case, let me add this particular business name over here. Smile Bright right there. Smile Bright Rental, and here you have the option to customize the welcome message as well. So here it says a free template. It's actually, so if you go to the all flows free templates, and here you have the option for the website AI chatbot, and here you have the welcome message for the web chat template. So that was the flow set up right here. So you can actually change the message within that particular flow, or you can also create your own flows and add it as well. So let me simply use the free template welcome flow right here. All right, and here you have other options as well. So if you want to install this on a website, you have to add your website address as well, so that the chat widget will work. And here you have the option to change the specific brand colors as well. So for example, let me use this particular color over here. All right, and click save. And this is the chat widget. So let me rename this one as this particular company. All right, and here if you click on get code and okay, and click on customize option, and here paste that specific code, and here you see the chat widget right here, and here you have the option to customize these options as well. For example, let me say, do you have any dental needs? So here you can actually customize these messages as you like, and you can even change the colors. You can even change this particular icon to yours icon as well. For example, here you have used your chat icon, but instead you can use your own image as well. For example, if you want to use this particular image right there, you can do that. Copy image address over here and come back to the web chat and paste it. So here you replace the image, and you can make this as a circle, and here you can increase this one to circle, and you can do any customizations you like right here. And as you can see here, this is a complete different chat widget. And another important thing is that automatically open the chat widget. For example, you can switch this on, so that will automatically open the chat widget right here and send the user a message in 5 seconds. So here, this is the live demo. It will send the welcome message right there to the user. So here, from here, a user can simply send any sort of messages and initiate the conversation as well. For example, let me send a message. Where are you located and what services do you provide? Even though I send multiple messages over here, it just sent me just a single message over here. And here you can also change the wait delay block right here as you like as well. So quick video on how you can easily build an AI chatbot for your business. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.